Good morning to all. I welcome to all of you in this lecture system. Today, this is the lecture number 5 of the Turing machine. In the previous lecture, we had learned some numerical problems. In those numerical problems, we had constructed a Turing machine corresponding to a given languages. In this lecture, we shall learn the following things. The first is the Turing computable function. That is, what is Turing computable function. The second things, we shall construct a Turing machine corresponding to a given mathematical function. In this lecture, we shall learn these things. The first heading which we are going to learn today's lecture is a Turing computable function. That is, what is a Turing computable function? Which type of function is said to be a Turing computable function? Now, look the definitions. A function f defined from natural number to natural number is said to be Turing computable if there exists a Turing machine which computes this function. So that is, a function is said to be a Turing computable if there exists a Turing machine which computes this function. That is, if there exists a Turing machine which behave like a mathematical function, then function is said to be a Turing computable functions. Here capital N is represented in this form. Capital N cross N dash cross N up to N times. Here capital N is a set of natural numbers. So here capital N power small n is a Cartesian product of small n number of natural numbers. Now, so this is the definition of a Turing computable function. Again, look this definition. A function f is said to be a Turing computable if there exists a Turing machine which compute this function, right? Turing computable function is defined only for the natural numbers. It is not defined for negative numbers or the real numbers. When you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to a function, in this case you have to pass the input argument as a unary form. So all the numbers which will be passed into the function when you have to design a Turing machine, then these number will be in unary form. That is, if the input number is 4, then it will be represented by 4 ones. So here all the numbers are represented in the unary form, that is in the form of ones. If the natural number is 4, then the number will be 4 ones. If the natural number 3 is input, then you have to pass triple 1, okay, and so on. But if there exists a function which takes more than one argument, then you have to pass a separator between the argument. Here for the separator we shall use another symbol, that will be 0. 0 will be used as a separator between the arguments. So when you have to pass a 2 argument, then you have to write this 4 1 0 triple 1, right? So in this case, if you are passing 3 argument, then that will be like this 4 1 0 triple 1. Okay, so if there are n number of arguments in a function, then you have to separate all the n arguments by a 0 symbol. Okay, so 0 symbol act as a separator between the arguments. Now comes on the numerical problems. So here the numerical problem are this. construct Turing machine for the following functions. Here you have to given two functions. First is f of n equal to n plus 2, and the second is the f of m comma n equal to m plus n. So for these two functions you have to construct a Turing machine, right? So this question may be of different types, that is so that these functions are Turing computable. If you have to given a questions so that these functions are Turing computable, then you have to do the same answer which you have to write the answer in these questions. Okay, now we will discuss first. The first question is f of n equal to n plus 2. The first question is this. So here small n belong into a natural numbers. So when you will pass in the first function any number, then the output will be plus 2. That is, if you pass the number 3, then the output must be 5 in this case. So you have to make a Turing machine corresponding to these functions. Look the solution of this. If input is 4 1, then output will be 6 1, right? So now you have to think how 4 1 will be converted into 6 1s. Initial ID of the machine in this case will be this. So Q0 is the initial state and we consider 4 1 here. Now you have to think how these 4 will be converted into 6 1s. Okay, now you have to think. Here I am giving a logic to convert 4 1s into 6 1 as this. So before Q0 there are infinite number of blanks, right? So before Q0, left of Q0 there are infinite number of blanks. You have to convert two blank symbol into one. When you will convert two blanks into one, then the number of 1 becomes 6, right? So this is the logic. You have to apply this logic, right? So when at the Q0, when one input symbol appear, machine move to the left direction. Machine move in the left direction as soon as, look here, as soon as when at Q0 the blank symbol appears, machine convert blank symbol into 1 here and also move in the left direction. Here machine also move in the left direction. Here we change the state from Q0 to Q1. Now again at the state Q1 blank symbol appear, again machine change this blank symbol into 1 and again move into the left direction and again change the state to Q2, right? Here we assume the Q2 as a final state. So at the final state blank symbol appear, machine halt at this state. Okay, so now clearly here the number of 1 is 6. So when the machine halt, then you have to count the number of ones. So since here machine halt, at that time the number of ones is 6, therefore the output becomes 6. So you pass the input as a 4 ones, then you got the output as a 6 ones, right? So you have to use this logic to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this function. Okay, now construct a Turing machine for this. So here we have used a 3 state. So initially the state is Q0. When the input symbol 1 appear, then machine move in the left direction. Machine move in the left direction without changing its state. That is, there is no need of changing state at this situation, right? Now when machine move in the left direction, the next input symbol becomes a capital B. Next step symbol is a capital B. So at the state Q0, when capital B appears, then machine change capital B into 1 and also move in the left direction, and also machine change its state from Q0 to Q1, right? Now at the state Q1, when tape symbol B appears, then again machine change tape symbol B into 1 and also move in the left direction and also change its state, that is from Q1 to Q2, right? A Q2 becomes a final state because the number of 2B is converted into 2 ones. Okay, so this is the final Turing machine. This Turing machine behaves like this function. The output of this function is 2 number is greater. Here is also, if you pass any natural number in this Turing machine, then you will get the output as a +2 as a additional, right? So therefore this machine is a correctly works like a this functions. Okay, now we come to the second functions. The second function is fm comma n equal to m plus n. That is the addition of 2 numbers. So this function is the addition of 2 numbers. That is, if you will pass 2 input, then the output will be the sum of these 2 numbers. So now you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to these functions. Now let us come on the next slide. Now you have to solve these functions. So here when you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this, then you have to analyze how the number of ones will be equal to the sum of m and n. If the input is this, that is 1 1 0 1 1, here 0 act as a separator. The first argument is 1 1 and the second argument is 3 1. The first argument 2 1 and second argument 3 1. The 0 act as a separator. So the input will be passed in this form. So if you pass the input in this, then the output must be this. That is, here the number of ones becomes 5 ones and the number of ones will be the consecutive. So all the ones must be a consecutive, right? Okay. So here are also number of ones is 5, but these are not consecutive. But in the output, all the ones must be consecutive, right? Remember it. Now you have to see how this input will be converted into this. You have to think what method, what logic you have to apply to convert this input into this output. So look here. Here we apply the logic is machine start from this initial ID at the Q0 state. The input is this 11011. So here the logic which I have applied here, first we convert this 0 into 1. The mid 0 is converted into 1. So when we convert 0 into 1, then the number of ones becomes 6. Then either you'll move the left direction or either move in the right direction and remove 1 1, right? Remove 1 1. So when you remove 1 1, then the number of ones becomes 5, right? So either at the left end or at the right end you have to remove 1 1. Okay, so here when at the state Q0 1 1 appear, machine move in only right direction. When 0 appears, then 0 is converted into 1 and state is also changed here, right? So at the state Q1, when second one appear, machine again right move. Third one, again machine move in the right direction. When at the Q1 state blank symbol appears, it means machine reached at the right end. When machine reached at the right end, then it move to the left direction and also change its state like this. So here the state is Q2 and one tape symbol appear here. So when at the state Q2 one appear, then one is replaced by blank, that is N becomes removed and machine move in the right direction and also goes into the final state. So here Q3 is taken as a final state, right? Now count the number of 1. The number of 1 is 5. So this is the logic which I have applied in this question, right? So again we repeat the logic. Look here. So when you start from this position, first you have to convert this 0 into 1. Next you have to move to the right end. When you reach at the right end, then you have to remove the right most one by a blank symbol, and next machine enter into the final state. At this situation the number of ones becomes the m plus n, right? So this is the logic. Now we apply this logic to construct a Turing machine corresponding to these functions. Apply this. So here we apply here to construct a Turing machine. So total state which are used here, 4 state, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So make 4 state here, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So these are the 4 state. At the Q0 state, when 1 appears, machine only move in the right direction, right? Look here. So here machine move in the right direction without changing its state. Machine only move in the right direction. As soon as 0 appear in the tape, machine change 0 into 1 and again move to the right direction. When machine reach at the state Q1, then it again check the tape symbol. Since the tape symbol is 1, then machine move in the right direction without changing its state. So by using this transition, machine only shift to the right direction. As soon as machine reached at the right end, that is when at the state Q1 the blank symbol appear, it means machine reached at the right end. In this situation, machine change its state from Q1 to Q2 and also move in the left direction. Now at the state Q2, when tape symbol 1 appear, then 1 is replaced by blank symbol and also move in the right direction and also machine goes to the final state, right? So here machine move from Q2 state to final state, right? So this is the complete Turing machine corresponding to this function. So clearly this Turing machine behaves like this function. Now we come to the next problem. Now the next example is this. So that following function is Turing computable. So that this function is Turing computable. F of n equal to 3 into n. F of n equal to 3 into n, where n is a natural number. That is, the output will be 3 times of the input. That is, here you have to show that the function is Turing computable. So to show a function is Turing computable, you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this function. That is a Turing machine which behaves like this function. So in this function, if the input is 2, the output will be 6, right? So if the input is 2, the output will be 6. That is the 3 times of the input. So that is, if the input is 2 1, then output will be 6 1 here. So here you have to pass this input and you have to find the output will be like this, that is 6 1s. So first we shall show that how string 1 1 is converted into 6 1. So first we shall show that how this string is converted into 6 ones. Next we construct the Turing machine corresponding to this function. So look this clearly. So initially you have to start from this ID. Here Q0, here 11. So here 2 1 Q0. So now you have to convert this 2 1 into 6 ones. So you have to look carefully. Here the logic which we are going to use is, first you have to remove first one. You have to remove first one. After removing, you have to go to the right end, and after reaching at the right end, you have to copy 3 ones. You have to copy 3 ones. One is removed and copy 3 ones at the right end. Again you have to move to the left end. Again second one is removed and again move to the right end. Again copy to 3 ones. So first time 3 1 and second time 3 1. Now the number of 1 becomes 6. So this is the logic. Now you have to apply this logic. So clearly here 1 is replaced by y and also change the state Q1. So first 1 is replaced by here. So that is first 1 is removed. Now you have to copy 3 ones at the right end. Now goes to the right end. Q1 1, again machine move to the right end. Here Q1 blank, right? Here Q1 blank. The machine reached at the right end. But here you have to copy the 3 ones after this blank symbol. After this blank symbol. Because you have to separate the output with this one. The output number of ones used in the output with the number of ones used in the input. To separate these two things, you have to copy after first blank. So here Q1 blank, machine change its state. Now you have to replace this blank symbol by 1. So here we replace this blank symbol by 1 and also change its state Q3. So now the state change from Q2 to Q3. The first blank is removed by 1. Again Q3B, again you have to remove this blank by 1. So again remove here. Again machine change its state. At Q4 state blank appear. Again change this blank into again 1. So now 3 1. Now machine move in the left direction. So at the Q4 state blank is removed, blank is replaced by 1 and machine move in the left direction and also change its state. So now the state becomes Q5. So at the Q5 state machine move in the left direction till number of ones appears. So here 1 appear, machine move in the left direction. Again 1 appear, machine move in the left direction. Here at the Q5 state blank symbol appear, again move in the left direction, right? So this machine continue till Y tape symbol appears in the tape. At this ID Y tape symbol appears at Q5. As soon as Y tape symbol appears at state Q5, machine again move to the right direction and also change its state from Q5 to Q0, right? Now here, so since Q0 appears here, it means 1 cycle is completed. So clearly look here, 1 is removed here, here 3 ones are copied. 1 is removed here and 3 ones are copied. Now again you have to repeat this cycle. Now you have to remove this one. So at the Q01, 1 is removed by Y. So here 1 becomes Y and machine change its state Q1. At the state Q1, capital B appears, machine move in the right direction and also change its state to Q2. At the Q2 state, 1 amperes, therefore machine move in only right direction, right? So that is machine only move in the right direction till 1 amperes. As soon as at the Q2 the blank symbol appear, as soon as at the state Q2 blank symbol appear, blank is converted into 1 and machine change its state to Q3 here. At the Q3 state, again blank symbol converted into 1, machine change its state to Q4. At the Q4 blank appear, again machine change its state to Q5 and blank is replaced by 1 and move in the left direction. Now at the state Q4 machine move in the left direction. Now the next situation is this. So at the Q5 state machine only move in the left direction. At the Q5 state machine only move in the left direction, right? So this movement continue till y appears at the Q5 state. So here Q5 1 appear, machine move in left direction, 1 appears, machine move left direction, 1 appear, machine move left direction, 1 appear, machine again move in the left direction, Q5 blank appear, machine move left direction. But here Q5y appear, Q5 at the state Q5 y tape symbol appears. Therefore machine change its state from Q5 to Q0 and move in the right direction. Now the next ID becomes this. The state becomes Q0 and move in the right direction. As soon as at the state Q0 capital B appear, it means all the number of ones from input are replaced by 1, right? It means the process is completed, right? Now machine goes to the final state. So as soon as at the Q0 state blank appear, machine goes to the final state. So here Q6 is taken as a final state. So at the Q6 machine halt. Now count the number of 1 is 6, right? So you pass the number of 1 as a input 2 ones, the output is 6 ones, right? So that is the number of 1 is 3 times of the number of input, okay? Now so this is the processing, this is the process how to construct a Turing machine corresponding to these functions. So now the number of state is clear. How many number of states are used here? So Q0 to Q6, that is total 7 states are used here. Now you have to construct a 7 circle in the transition diagram of Turing machine. So at the state Q0, 1 appears, 1 is converted into Y and machine move in the right direction. At the state Q1, when 1 appears, machine move in the right direction. As soon as at the state Q1 blank symbol appears, machine move in the right direction Q2, right? So that move in the right direction and goes to the Q2 state. At the state Q2, when blank symbol appear, machine convert blank symbol into 1 and move in the right direction and also change its state. At the state Q3, blank symbol appears, this blank symbol is replaced by 1 and move in the right direction and goes to state Q4. So at the state Q4, blank symbol appears, blank symbol is converted into 1, but here machine move in the left direction, right? So at the state Q4, machine move in the left direction, okay? So because the number of 3 blank symbol is converted into 1, here first blank converted into 1, here second blank is converted into 1, here third blank is converted into 1, right? So when 3 blank symbol is converted into 1, then machine move in the left direction. So machine move in the left direction and goes into Q5 state. At Q5 state, machine only move in the left direction. So at the Q5 state, when tape symbol 1 or tape symbol B appears in the tape, machine only move in the left direction, right? So at the Q5 state, machine only move in the left direction by using these two transitions. But when tape symbol Y appears at the state Q5, machine change its state from Q5 to Q0, and also the head of the machine move in the right direction. When the tape symbol Y appears in the tape at state Q5, in this situation machine move from Q5 to Q0. So this cycle is repeated till the number of ones appear in the input. As soon as all the ones in the input are removed, now machine apply this transitions rule. At this situation, the machine will be at state Q0 and the head of the machine will be at blank symbol. So as soon as the machine is Q0 and head is on the blank symbol, machine goes to the final state, right? So at the state Q0, when blank symbol B appears, machine goes to the final state. Okay? So this is the complete transition diagram corresponding to a Turing for the functions f of n equal to 3 into n. Or this Turing machine behaves like this function. The output of the function will be same as the output of this Turing machine. So clearly here we have constructed a Turing machine corresponding to a function. Therefore the given function is Turing computable. Okay, now we are going to stop the lecture. Thank you.